Poll Everywhere is a platform that allows students to vote or discuss topics through email, text messaging, or by computer. It is a very engaging and convenient activity for students. It is also easy for students to navigate because they simply just follow the instructions as prompted. To start a poll, follow these simple steps. Number 1, configure. Number 2, test. Once a student sends a text message to the number 22333 and type KK Middleton 770, the response will appear here. Once I test my poll, I can then send invites to my students via Remind or Google Classroom because it is ready to present, which is the last step. There are also ways to enhance Poll Everywhere through visual settings. You can activate a poll, show responses, lock poll, clear responses, and full screen. I currently teach world history for 6th and 8th grade students. Using Poll Everywhere is a great icebreaker for the first day of school, as well as weekly exit slips for classroom discussion.